How do you work this thing? Please don't burn the cupcakes. Oh god. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be cooking some cupcakes, and let's just hope I don't burn down the kitchen. So I decided to make some cupcakes to celebrate my 1 year on YouTube. Yay! Alright, so I got the White Mill Super Moist Vanilla Cupcake Mix. It was literally like $2. Hopefully I can make this. If not, that's just sad. Oh my god, I did burn them. Let's get baking. Making cupcakes, making cupcakes. Alright, first step. Obviously taking it out of the box. That would help. Oh, I totally forgot they came with the little, the muffin dress? The muffin cups. Muffin cups. Flour. And we've got the icing. Chop, 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 chop. You know, I guess this isn't really real cooking because yeah, all the sugar and the flour and all that is already in here. Could have made it from scratch, but I'm lazy. We got 2 eggs. Let's get cracking. Oh, is there eggshells in there? Oh, probably. Egg number 2. Clearly, I don't cook often at home. All right, half a cup of milk. There we go. All right, unravel the butter. Oh, girl, she thick. She thick. All right, so 60 is around there. Oh my god, that was not straight. Oh well. Let's just put her back in. Alrighty, I got my wooden spoon. Oh. Damn, I should have heated this up. So I'll be mixing this batter for a few minutes now, and my arm is dead. It's a workout. There's only a little amount of batter. It's only for 12 cupcakes. So I just read the instructions, and it's supposed to have soft butter, not hard butter. That's why it's lumpy and very hard to mix. Alright, so I just had my dad help me for a bit. It's still pretty lumpy. This arm's literally dead, so we are going to put the batter into the cupcake trays. Now the fun part. We will put this batter in. Oh my god, you can literally see the chunks of butter. Ugh. A bit messy, that's fine. I just have a gut feeling these cupcakes will taste so buttery. There we go, and you get pretty sweet. Yep, like I predicted, very buttery. Voila! I mean, they look okay. Maybe not the best, but all right, we'll see. How do you work this thing? So, I believe this is the, oh, nope, wrong way. All right, so my camera battery just died, so I'm now on my phone. So the oven has been warmed up. Scared the living, oh my god, that scared me. In you get. So I'll have to wait around 20 minutes. Please don't burn the cupcakes. Please don't burn the cupcakes. Oh my god, are they burning? I hope not. 8 minutes left. They do not look like cupcakes. Oh god. Oh my god, I did burn them. Ooh, yum. I honestly don't know what happened.
Flashback.
Fan to 160 without fan to 180. The cupcakes are also like pretty uneven, as you can see. All right, now we are on to the icing. Hopefully I can succeed in making this since my cupcakes didn't go so well. I also wanted to point out that I recently hit 80 subscribers, and thank you so much if you're subscribed to my channel. That really means a lot to me. I can't believe 80 people have subscribed. That's really awesome. I'm on the way to 100 and wow. I've got soft butter with me. That's 1 and 2. Yay, I can count. So yeah, thank you for the recent subscribers. There we go. That's 1. All right, let's start mixing. You see that, guys? It's mixing great. I'm honestly gonna be such a bad housewife. Far out. This is icing. So I've been mixing for like 2 minutes and it's actually coming together. There we go. Yes. Icing check. Quite nice. All right, so as you can see, my cupcakes are slightly burnt. I will chop off the top. Hopefully they'll make it more pretty. So I'll just leave the burnt parts at the side. Look, nice fresh cupcakes. Quickly cut the tops and I'll be right back. No. So now that the cupcakes are ready, we are going to put the icing on top. Woo! Can't fail at this, right? Got my handy dandy spoon. Oh yeah. Come to mama. 1 cupcake done. I don't know if this, nah, there's never too much. Never too much. Oh yeah. Hello. All right, my cupcakes are iced and ready to eat. Homemade cupcakes, yum. Should I do a taste test? I'm gonna try and bite into the most good looking cupcake, which is neither of them. All right, let's just go for this one. Honestly, if I didn't burn them, this would have went all right. Cheers to 1 year on YouTube. Clink.
Wow!
This is really good. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to feed my family with these very delicious cupcakes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! When anyone else mixes or stirs their like batter or whatever they're cooking, it's a workout, isn't it?
Yeah, not when you do it though.
Dad, I'm filming.
Oh, sorry.